Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to the channel, get new and interesting videos. Please write like and comments. Let's go. Latest gadget videos. Dynamics jumping robot. Dynamics jumping robot. This robot is just as beautiful and interesting to look. It has legs and can move with its legs. Easy to travel from one place to another with 4 legs. This robot is very good at dancing. This robot can dance and sing. With this other robot come and dance. As beautiful as it looks, it can dance like a human being. Instantly beautiful robot can attack any human. Intelligent, interesting, beautiful robot. Dynamics jumping robot. A new version of Ultra designed of option outdoor and inside buildings. It is specialized for mobile manipulation. It is electricity, power and hydraulics effect. It uses body and leg to balance and LIDAR and exercise its head and avoid object access to time. Help with neglect and multiple objects. This version of Ultra is about 5 into 9 inch tail. About a head store than the DRC Ultra and wins 118 lbs. Dynamics jumping robot is very attractive and every color. This robot is very beautiful and intelligent. Other robot is dancing and singing. Beautiful dynamics jumping robot. Her leg is a 4 wheels. Dynamic jumping robot. Room phone booth. Designing the office of the future offer include large and open space. In order to provide privacy for phone calls, video conference, or just a few minutes of forces work, a phone booth can be a helpful tool. But designing the perfect booth that is mobile has enough array. Virtuality and sound insulate is not an easy task, especially if the piece is a relieved function. Room is one of the provide of phone booths and kinds has made their co-function monitor to take about everything you need to know about this model workplace tools. Room phone booth. Balance marks. Balancing a PPE. A provide X marks. A lifestyle across. A design hygiene unit to take gadget. A provide keep and more experience with invalid. A regular content of your provide of balance easy with it. Taking your marks off. Marks protect uses you usually rope them up processly. We devise to give something in return. Prefers a bit more than just safety. Balance font plant to convert with any metals color, and texture depending on the message you put out there.